What's up everybody? Today we're back to show you how to properly use our Blackline Foam Cannon Ultra. First off, everything that you're gonna need for this video is a bottle of Ultra Foam, a pressure washer snub nose, and lastly, your Blackline Ultra Foam Cannon. Now this does apply to pretty much every foam cannon, but today we're just using our Ultra one. So first off, as soon as you get this thing in, you're gonna notice the slick apple box design. And this box design is something that's never been done on a foam cannon ever before. So personally, I think this is really cool. There also is a step-by-step tutorial with images on the side. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing so we can show you how to use it. So once you unbox the foam cannon, you'll notice that you only get 3 pieces inside. The first piece is going to be your silicone straw. The second piece is going to be your top sprayer head. Lastly, you're going to have the tank that the soap solution goes into. First off, you want to start by simply connecting the top sprayer to the silicone straw. And next, we're simply going to fill up the foam cannon with water and then add 2 ounces of Ultra Foam. So now that it is all assembled, let's head over to the car and show you how to apply the foam properly. All right, so first off, you want to start by connecting your foam cannon to the snub nose pressure washer gun. Luckily, we got the Blackline one, so it's got the super easy quick connect, so you just snap on. And next, we're going to take a look at the adjustable sprayer on the end of the foam cannon. Twisting this allows you to go from a straight shot to a complete fan, depending on how big your vehicle is or how much foam you want in a certain area. So simply turn the end of the nozzle to find the right radius that you need. But you can also adjust the top of the sprayer for dilution ratio. So whether you want it super foamy like this or super watery like this, you simply just twist the top all the way to the right. And now you're simply just spraying water compared to the foam when you twist it all the way left. Now let's go and foam down the car. All right, so now that your car is all foamed up, you are ready to start the contact wash with your wash mitt and maybe even the 2-bucket method. But that is the breakdown of exactly how to use the foam cannon with dilution ratios and the spray radius. Remember, just a couple ounces of Ultra Foam, adjust your radius and adjust your dilution ratio, and you should be all good to foam up your car properly. All the products that we used in today's videos are gonna be in the link down below if you guys wanna check them out. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do, and we'll see y'all in the next one.